we're taking another recipe from the Everything Kids cookbook. This week we're going to be making broccoli stuffed baked potatoes. Get ready to bake! This week's recipe comes from Chapter 6, page 102. Today you're only going to need a few things. You're going to need a large russet potato, a teaspoon of butter, a quarter cup of fresh or frozen broccoli. I'm using fresh broccoli in mine. A quarter cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a teaspoon of water. That's all you'll need. We're going to start today with poking about 4 holes in the potato using a knife. Now you might need a grown-up to help you with this, and then you're going to put it on a microwave safe plate. There, I've got 4 holes. Now we're going to put the plate in the microwave with the potato for 5 minutes. Now it's time to turn over the potato and put it on for another 5 minutes. I'm going to use a fork to flip mine because it's going to be very hot. Now we're going to cut the potato wide open. Just perfect. Now remember, if you have a smaller potato, you're going to want to cook it about half the time, so maybe 2 minutes on each side rather than 5 minutes, or your potato will be hard enough to play road hockey with. We don't want that. That's not tasty at all. So now we're going to put the butter on the potato. Put half on this side and half on this side. And then we're going to set the potato aside while we cook the broccoli. I've added a teaspoon of water to the broccoli, and now I'm going to put the broccoli in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Now I've drained the broccoli now that it's done in the microwave. So I'm going to just mix up the potato a little bit. So just rough it up a little bit. This side as well. And now I'm going to sprinkle the broccoli on top. The dish is still quite hot. Just like that. And now I'm going to sprinkle the cheese on top of the broccoli. Just like this. And now I'm just going to melt that cheese in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And it will be ready to eat. Delicious. I know what I'm having for lunch. How about you? Thanks for joining me again this week for Kitchen Club. I hope you enjoy your stuffed baked potato. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.